Welcome to my first official makeup thing.
These are my products from makeup and skincare range. As I was cleaning my drawer, so I thought of doing this video. So let's start the video.
Okay, I'm gonna be showing you every product that I own, and I'm gonna be telling you about जो पसंद है and जो पसंद नहीं है and why. And I'm also a beginner in makeup, skincare, and let's start with a makeup organizer. I would highly recommend. You can see this drawer. Just ignore the mess, as I said already. You are seeing this drawer. I have only this drawer for my makeup as well as for my skincare. So what I did, I bought some organizers from Amazon. Do not buy this one because first of all, if you are using this, it will get dirty because it's made of cloth, and if you're going to wash it off, very bad idea. Don't do that because it has this cardboard under ke side lining. So the space is perfect for my drawer, so that's why I'm using it still, but it's still dirty and I can't wash it, so that's a nightmare for anything because I don't like putting up my makeup in the dirty organizers, right? But I have to do it for now. Okay, but I've cleaned it some with Dettol and all the stuff. But anyways, now let's go to the makeup products. Okay, let me show you. Everything is lined up on my desk, and these are all the products I own. I have bought it from my money, and yeah, nothing is PR, nothing is, मैं तो इतनी बड़ी इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ नहीं, ठीक है, कि मुझे लोग ऐसे फ्री में प्रोडक्ट्स दे दिए. सो आई शो यू एवरी ब्रांड का सब एक साथ. कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट ब्रांड विच इज द डॉट एंड की, I have three products in my hand. The first one is a lip balm, the second one is the moisturizer, the third one is this also a moisturizer, but it is like a barrier repair thing. These three products, it never suit my skin. I've tried it again and again in each season, like monsoon, summer, ki ab ho jaye try. But no, guys, it really didn't work for my skin. So moving on to the another brand, I have this Mama Earth K tubs, which I was super obsessed like 2 years back. क्योंकि जब विंटर चालू था मेरी स्किन इतनी अच्छी हो रही थी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टू प्रोडक्ट्स. वो सेम ही है, बट एक प्रोडक्ट मैंने बहुत खत्म किया और दूसरा प्रोडक्ट बिल्कुल हाथ भी नहीं लगाया बिकॉज ये एक प्रोडक्ट यूज करने के बाद दूसरा प्रोडक्ट चलना ही बंद हो गया. लाइक इट वाजंट इवन वर्किंग गुड ऑन माय स्किन. So I don't like this product anymore. So I bought so many products from Plum and I've been using Plum for almost 2.5 years. And okay, so these two bottles are the same bottles. इसके पहले मेरे पास और दो bottles थे. So these are vitamin C 15%. These are the super good vitamin C. I got influenced by a influencer क्योंकि उन्होंने दिखाया था in her video कि it's so good, you can have this coating glass skin, and I was like, let's go and try it. And honestly, it gave me a lot of result, but stop using this because I'm super lazy now to apply lots of layers on my skin because I don't like it. Now I just wanted to find something which comes like 3 in 1. I found a one brand जो ये सब बनाते हैं 3 in 1 में, like it has serum, moisturizer and sunscreen. So yeah, I stopped using the various products on my skin, like एक ही layer लगाओ फिर उसके ऊपर ये. No, I have stopped completely from 6 months. Next product is this. This is rice water niacinamide. It has some product, or it doesn't have any product. Okay, so it fades blemishes, regulates sebum pore production. Okay, this, it won't give you 100% moisture skin, okay, after using this, but it gives you such good मॉइस्चराइजर अंडर एनी काइंड ऑफ सनस्क्रीन. एंड क्योंकि कैसा होता है बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के अलग अलग फॉर्मुलेशंस होते हैं, तो कभी कभी जो सनस्क्रीन रहता है, कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट्स रहते हैं, वो बैठने के लिए यू नीड अ गुड मॉइस्चराइजर. सो दिस मॉइस्चराइजर इज सो गुड, बट इतना भी वर्क नहीं किया है मेरे स्किन के लिए. अलग ही रिजल्ट विच आई कैन सी ऑन माई फेस, जैसे ये दो प्रोडक्ट ने मुझे दिया था. आई मीन दिस विटामिन सी वाला थिंग. बट या, but I won't repurchase this one. But it is a nice product. It is a like feel good product. Like this is the Body Loving Vanilla body lotion with cocoa butter, and it smells so good. Okay, but ये मैं occasionally use करती हूँ. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे बहुत sweet ऐसा feeling आता है. So yeah, it works great honestly. Okay, it absorbs like quick. Then we have this Dermaco. This is a beginner face peeling solution. It has a lot of things such as 5% glycolic acid, 5% lactic acid, 5% mandelic acid, 1% salicylic acid, and I think These are the best what do you call it, AHA BHA formulation peeling solutions for your skin. If you're a beginner, you can use this. It just gives you like, it cleans your pores. Like वो जो scraper है तो उसे clean नहीं करना पड़ता है. अगर ये अब लगा भी दोगे, within 10 minutes you have to clean it up, and एक वीक में 3 times यूज करना है. एंड इट स्मेल्स सो बैड. लेट मी टेल यू, इट स्मेल्स सुपर लाइक राइस फर्मेंट होता है ना, वैसा स्मेल आता है. इफ यू डोंट लाइक स्मेलिंग बैड थिंग्स ऑन योर फेस, डोंट यूज इट. इट विल वर्क ऑन योर फेस. ये तो पूरा खत्म हो गया है, बट ये है आधा. एंड ऑल्सो रिकमेंडेड टू माई फ्रेंड्स. जो बॉयज हैं उनके लिए तो बेस्ट है ये सीरम, ठीक है. वो भी यूज करते, मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स को मैंने रेकमेंड किया था. नेक्स्ट, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट ब्रांड. दिस इज द इनसाइड ब्रांड. I'm super tired now speaking to this camera. It feels so one-sided thing. Okay, Inside Primer is such a good primer. It primer, it protects and moisturize. So 3 in 1 it shows, and it does work. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you can try this one. Okay, क्योंकि ये भी मुझे वो आंटी ने वो जो एक उनका दुकान है, उन्होंने मुझे वो रेकमेंड किया था. ये भी रेकमेंड उन्होंने किया था, फाउंडेशन फ्रॉम कलर एसेंस. तो बट ये वर्क किया, ये वर्क नहीं किया. सो और ये भी प्रोडक्ट मुझे रेकमेंड किया था स्विस ब्यूटी का, ये भी मुझे वर्क नहीं किया, बट ये वर्क किया. सो या, दिस इज कॉन्टरिंग पाउडर, दिस इज हाइलाइटर, एंड दिस इज द ब्लश. ये दोनों मैं अभी तक यूज ही नहीं किया है, ठीक है. अभी आई एम गोना बी शोइंग यू दिस. I'm gonna be showing, just ignore my nails, उसको nail पे नहीं लगाया बेचारों को. But I have this pigment on my skin. I'm gonna be showing you how beautiful it looks. Look at that. इग्नोर करो नेल्स को गाइस प्लीज. मैंने कल ही स्वॉच करके दिखा था एक दुकान में. सो it is beautiful. I love it. Okay, moving on to the next brand, which it is from the Face Shop, and I bought this from an influencer recommendation. Honestly, उसके स्किन पे ये वर्क हुआ, बट मेरे स्किन पे बिल्कुल भी वर्क नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि I don't know why it didn't work on my skin. It's good. This is the consistency, and the smell is also good. I love the smell, but it doesn't work. Like, it doesn't work for my skin. I've started using this as my hand lotion. क्योंकि नहीं हो रहा है तो अभी मैं क्या करूँ? I can't waste products, right? I just recently bought this Swiss Beauty concealer, and it is great, honestly. मुझे concealer ये पता नहीं है. I used it once, but honestly I don't like it now using it. But मुझे अभी dark circles की वजह से I have to use it, not on daily basis. I वैसे भी don't care, मेरे पास dark circles है तो इसमें I don't केयर. बट मुझे पता है, मुझे जानना था कि कंसीलर एक्चुअली क्या ही कर सकता है. आई डोंट लाइक दिस मच, ठीक है, क्योंकि थोड़ा ड्राई हो जाता है मेरे स्किन के लिए. बट या, ओके. Next, moving on to this, my newest purchase from Mars, and this is my first purchase from Mars Cosmetic. So this is a compact powder. Okay, so I found the one. I'm still using it. ठीक है, अभी जो देख रहे हो, ये से मैंने किया है. अभी 4-5 days से मैं यूज कर रही हूँ. एंड इट हैज दिस, क्या बोलते हैं, इट हैज दिस cushion. Or let me show you on my hands because I love it. Okay, this is my hand. Let me take it some from here. Okay, and swatch it like over here. कुछ दिखेगा आपको? मैं लिपस्टिक पे लगा के दिखाऊं? See, it's best. I know ये थोड़ा सा शेड मेरा थोड़ा सा little bit lighter, but I feel like it worked for my skin. Okay, now moving on to the 3 last products, which is, let me give you, okay, so I'll rank the third last product, which I love using, this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It works magic. Like, ये moisturizer नहीं है, ये face wash नहीं है. It works like everything. Like, you don't have to take tension कि ये कैसे काम करेगा. You just purchase it and you will see जो कि dry to normal है, आपका oily to normal भी skin है. 2 variants आते हैं इसके. So you have to know it कि आपका स्किन कैसा टाइप का है. I love this product. I would give 5 on 5 for this one. And ये जल्दी खत्म भी नहीं होता, ठीक है. Joey's Herbal Skin Toner. This toner I always keep on my desk क्योंकि whenever I feel like sleepy or something, like dry हो रहा है बहुत skin and I don't want to apply lots of moisturizer, I use this one, ठीक है. और मेरे हाथ पे भी मैं I use this one. It's super soothing and This is so good. You can use it on your face before makeup. This product, and it is very inexpensive. So, and I think it smells so good. That's why I love it. The first product and my favorite product since last year. This is, I have already told you in many videos. This is K by Katrina. If you have chapped lips, if you don't want matte lipsticks to go on and give you cracked version of your lips, you can go with this lipstick. It's super good. I've already used half of it, and now it's time to show you the swatch. The best lipstick I've ever purchased. मेरे पास एक ही लिपस्टिक है और मैं एक ही लिपस्टिक एक साल से यूज कर रही हूँ, and I swear by this lipstick. If you have a very light shade, oh god, look at this. Look, I'm still in love with this shade. This is Dreamer from K by Katrina. I'm not a paid thing. You can trust me, guys, okay? Because yeah, this is you. It will smudge, okay? I'm telling you, it will smudge, but it will give you the hydration you want for your lips. I'm still using on my lips, as you can see. I'm loving it. This is the number one product which I'm loving it from my vanity. Yeah. So let me give a quick overview. So after cleaning every product and जो expired हो मैंने निकाल दिया और जो मुझे रखना है मैंने रख दिया. So these are the product which I'm not using. ये ऐसे ही रखे क्योंकि ये जो basket है, in this basket I don't have any kind of products that I use on daily basis, or I'm gonna be completely throwing this off, but for now I'm keeping this. Is my go-to basket. इसमें सब मैंने प्रोडक्ट रखे जो I actually use और I actually consume. So yeah,